How to find group info settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group info settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find any group you want, like this one. Just click on it and then click on your profile and then just click here, group settings, and as you see here you will find it, edit group info. Just click on it and here you can manage it. You can make it for only admins or all participants, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.